like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
What's up, my crypto people? Welcome to another Mining Blocks video. So the Christmas season event pass has been released. We will talk a little bit about that, and as always I will gift free miners to you guys. All of those of you who are watching this for the first time, guys, Mining Blocks is an amazing site where you can earn free crypto and withdraw it directly to your wallet or to your FaucetPay account. You can join Mining Blocks by using the link in the description below. Thank you. So guys, the new season pass has been released. I got to level 4. So as you can see, it will end on the 31st of January next year, okay? So the big boss has written an update. So he has said that the second phase will get released 10 days after the first phase, but I think that sometimes has passed more than that. But anyways, as you can see, there will be a total of 5 phases. And so some new miners have been added for crafting. We will take a look at that also, okay? So guys, regarding the season pass, in case you don't know, the season pass is free, okay? So there's no there's no deposit on this site. Everything is free. You can earn free crypto fairly, okay? So guys, I have talked a little bit about the tasks in my previous video, but once more I will show you how to easily get 600 experience, okay? So it's regarding these weekly tasks. So guys, there's a total of 4 of these tasks, okay? 1, 2, 3, and there's one more here somewhere. Okay, this one for 30 materials. So guys, if you want to complete these tasks, it's very easy. You just go to the marketplace and then we go to the materials. We pick chip T1. So these are all low quantities. Let me find someone who's selling bigger amounts, quantities. So okay, this guy's selling 1,300 of these, so I will buy 1,200 of these chip T1. So nice. After you buy this, you just go to your inventory, to the material tab, and here you upgrade this chip T1. So the amount that you need to, if you want to complete all 4 of those tasks, the amount to upgrade, downgrade is 200, okay? So I will do that now. I will upgrade 200 of these chip T1. So very easy, guys. Let's go back to the tasks page. And now we can pick up all 4 of these tasks. So by completing these tasks, we will get this season pass experience, and we will also get additional rewards. We will get rewarded in blocks, in mining tokens, and in task tokens. So you cannot see it here on the screen, but for every task that you complete, you will also get 1 more task token. So okay guys, anyways, as you can see, the first phase of the season pass has been released. So the maximum level is level 10 and so here are the rewards. So there's one miner here at level 10, giant yellow gift miner. So I believe that some of these miners can be crafted now during the season event, season pass. So let's take a look. Okay, so here it is. These are the new miners. A giant purple miner. It's not a big blocks amount that you need to pay for crafting, but the materials are kind of I don't know. I think that this big container is the most expensive one to get, okay? But anyways, this is nice to see additional miners. So there's also this one, giant red gift miner. This one is 1.87 blocks. But okay guys, so anyways, make sure if you are a card collector, then this will be of interest to you, okay? So make sure to craft both of these or to buy them on the marketplace, or maybe they will even be released in the weekly boxes, okay? So I will also open a couple of boxes. I will send some of these miners to you guys, to my referrals, okay? So we will do that at the end of this video. But anyways, I think that end will happen now. Not much else to talk about, guys, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will gladly help you. Also, make sure to join their Discord. The community is really nice and helpful. So yeah. Anyways, I think that I will now go to the unboxing part, okay? So let's take a look at the boxes. So I have earned quite a nice amount of mining tokens. I have 3.4k. I also have 54 task tokens, but as you can see, so the first Christmas box has been released, but it's not a box for miners, it's a box for these parts. But anyways, if you are higher level and you are crafting miners, then this will be helpful to you, because these containers are the hardest one to get, okay? These rarely do drop. I mean, the poor container drops at the faucet. I think that also on the games, if you play games, parts also drop there. So yeah, but I think that for the giant container, this is the most expensive one on the market also. So yeah, I don't know, if you're a beginner, then you should not maybe spend task tokens on this box. Maybe save it for the next phases. We will see what the boxes there will be. So now this one is the cheapest one, it's just 15 task tokens. The next ones will be a little bit more expensive, so make sure to save your task tokens, okay? Anyways guys, let's take a look at the junk box. So these are the weekly miners for this week. The Christmas miner is nice, okay? The Christmas miner is nice. You can also, I don't know where I got this one. I got this one even before this box, so yeah. But anyways, I will be opening a couple of boxes for my referrals, so let's take a look at the referral page. Okay, so let's see who's mining. I have a couple of people still mining, some have stopped mining. So let's take a look. Okay, this guy is mining Dogecoin, but he's level 1. I'm not going to gift a level 1. We will see. This guy is level 2. He stopped mining blocks. Okay, so here is Selena. He or she, I don't know, a brother or a sister. So she is level 6, mining blocks. But okay, I will send one miner to Selena. I will send one miner to Selena. Okay, I'll probably do that right away now. So I had some nice trades in the last. As you can see, I have raised my mining power. I have 160 space expansions, but I also have some of these miners. So I will send some of these miners to my referrals. I will actually send this big miner G1R2 Overclock Edition to Selena. Level 6 is such a low level. I mean, if you watch like 10 PTC ads, or if you complete a few offer walls or the PTCs in the offer walls, you can get to level 15 very easily. But okay, no pressure. Take it easy. 582691. Okay, that's the first gift for Selena. Let's go next. So here is Orlan Mar. He is level 17. He is mining Dogecoin. Okay, cool. Let's gift him. I will gift him also the big. Oh no, I will gift him. What did I gift him before? I don't know. I will gift him this one also. Okay. Free miners! Free miners! Join mining blocks, guys. Free miners for you. Okay. That's one miner for Orlan Mar. He's level 17. Maybe I will gift him one more miner. Yeah, I didn't even open the boxes. I don't know. I will open the boxes. But okay, let's send one more rabbit miner to Orlan Mar. Thanks a lot, bro, for signing up through my link. Thanks for staying active for mining free crypto. Okay, that's 2 miners for him. GG, well played. 𝐓𝐿grow level 2. This guy has been mining Dogecoin, but he stopped mining. 𝐓𝐴𝐻𝐻𝐿 level 3. He stopped mining Solana. He fell to 0% a couple of times, then he replenished his mining health, but I don't know. I think I will not gift him. I think he will not keep mining. So yeah, GG 𝐓𝐴𝐻𝐻𝐿, GG, well played. Cactus Bitcoin level 9. Okay, Cactus Bitcoin actually got one more level. So yeah, he's really growing like a cactus. Really nice. Okay, Cactus Bitcoin, bro. Here's one white witch hat for you. GG. So okay, let's open a couple of boxes. So I think there's just one more person after Cactus Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Birchim. I hope he didn't get banned. I didn't notice this. I mean, this happened. I watched the referral list like yesterday, looking at who I will gift tomorrow, and I saw that he was still mining, but I don't know. He probably got banned or something. His mining health got to 0%. He is not a member of any pool. Birchim, GG, bro. I don't know what's going on. He probably got banned, or I don't know. Anyways, I will not gift him, so I will gift. Damn, he was level 56. So now okay, I got Orlan Mar. He's level 17. I sent him 2 miners. I will send one more miner to Cactus Bitcoin. Damn, I don't know what happened with the Bircher mining. But okay, here's Cactus Bitcoin. Level 9. Oh. Okay, so I have gifted all the miners. Let's open a couple of junk boxes. I'm not going to open all of them, maybe just 2 or 3, so I can try to get the Christmas miner for Cactus Bitcoin. Okay, nice, I got the Christmas miner on second try. Really nice. But okay, I will actually open 2 more boxes, so I can try to get the Christmas miner for the other referral for that level 17. So let's open 2 more. I will open 2 more boxes. Silver miner, okay. I will save my tokens for the next box. And now I will gift 2 more miners. So I will send this Christmas miner to the level 17. Oh my god, I don't know how to navigate this. Control find doesn't work. Okay, here he is. So I will gift him the Christmas miners, since now he is my biggest level referral. Okay, Merry Christmas, bro. There's one more for him. And I will also send Cactus Bitcoin one of these silver miners. I hope that you guys will keep mining, that you will not get banned, okay? Don't cheat, guys, don't do any stuff that you should not. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Just wanted to cover the new season event and to gift you guys once more. So if you join Mining Blocks through the link in the description below, and if you will be active and mining free crypto, I will send free miners to you guys, okay? Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the description below, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.